Let's learn how to activate our plugin on Shopify themes with v1 version. First, go to Shopify's left menu bar and click on Sales Channels. Then click on Online Store in the search bar. Now click on the Customize button. Once inside your Themes panel, change to Cart Page. Now on the left menu, click on App Embeds. As you can see, there's a switch. Click it. Story Dots widget will appear at the bottom left corner in default floating mode. There's also an anchor mode, where you can locate it after other objects inside your cart. To do that, click on the arrow at the left menu. Disable floating mode. The final step consists in finding the class or the ID of the object where you want to anchor the widget. To do that, open a new browser tab and go to your store cart. Now it's time to decide where we want to anchor it. Before the subtotal seems to be a good choice. Right-click on Subtotal, and then left-click on Inspect. The inspector window opens and shows the object class, cart__subtotal. Right-click and copy it. Go back to your themes editor. Paste the object's class inside the anchor point input. That's it. Now the widget displays right where we wanted. Now let's suppose we want to show the widget in the products page too. Let's learn how to do it. First, change to the products page. Repeat the procedure we did before. Remember, we have to identify the area where we want to place it. Let's say below the price. Open a new browser tab with any product page. It's time to look for an object class or ID. Right-click on the Add to Cart button, and then left-click on Inspect. The inspector window opens. Now it's time to try IDs or classes that may work. Here's the form class. Let's try it. Right-click, then copy it. Go back to the themes editor. Paste the class inside the anchor point input. That's it. Now the widget displays right where we wanted. Do not forget to save changes. Keep tuned for more tutorials.